Alright, my name is Jake Massey. For my social media marketing plan, I chose the company Orvis. So a little overview of Orvis. Orvis makes fly fishing equipment. That's primarily what they do. Uh, they also make wing shooting equipment, outerwear, luggage, and travel products. Just a little bit of history. In 1856, Charles F. Orvis founded the Orvis Company in Manchester, Vermont, manufacturing high-quality fly fishing products such as rods and reels. One of their main competitors is Cabela's. Cabela's is a bit of an unconventional competitor because they sell Orvis products, but they also manufacture their own line of fly rods and reels, outerwear, luggage, etc. So a little bit more, their target audience I found was men and women between the ages of 16 and 70. When you look through their content on their Instagram page and their Twitter page, you don't see a lot that caters to the younger generations. Most of their audience is outdoor enthusiasts because most of what Orvis manufactures and sells is outdoor products. A lot of their target audience is fly fishermen. Still, at their core, they're a fly fishing company. They also have a big audience of hunters and sportsmen. Taking a look at Orvis and their website, it's a private company, so they don't release any of their sales. But for most companies now, their business objective is going to be to grow sales. When you look at their Facebook page and their Twitter page, you can also tell that their goal is to grow social media engagement. And another quick goal they have is to recruit more students for their Orvis Academy, which is like a short 1 or 2 week school that Orvis hosts where they take beginner anglers and they teach them how to fly fish better. So my social media audit is on a different page. What I basically uncovered during this was that the Instagram page and the YouTube page are very strong. Instagram, they post videos, pictures, fly fishing, hype really. They don't do a whole lot of promotional products on their Instagram. They more post pictures to kind of get fishermen excited about fly fishing. For YouTube, a lot of fishing tips. They do new product videos and informative environmental videos. For their scheduling for YouTube and Instagram, it's 3 to 4 times a week for Instagram and 2 to 6 times per month for YouTube, so a little bit inconsistent. The purpose for Instagram is to generate hype, promote environmental awareness, and drive traffic to the website. And YouTube is to promote the brand, give fishing tips, and promote environmental awareness. Where I found that Orvis was kind of lacking was their Facebook and their Twitter pages. Their Facebook page had a lot of likes, but they didn't have a whole lot of engagement with their posts. So they'd post articles, customer pictures, informative videos. They post multiple times a week, but they weren't seeing any real engagement with their posts. So they had a lot of likes, right around 200,000, but a lot of their posts were getting less than 10 likes and almost no comments. For Twitter, it was almost the opposite. They had a very small follower count, but the engagement they were getting was positive, but just not a lot of it. So the big idea kind of came from what I saw from their Instagram and YouTube page. The idea is to start product promotions every 3 months where the company releases or picks a line of their products that if you buy one of the products, a portion of that money goes to a certain cause, organization, anything like that that's going to benefit the environment and conservation. The kind of bulk behind this project would be that the company would release a series of videos every 3 months when they do this. It would be 5 videos posted on their YouTube channel over the course of those 3 months. The video series would highlight the issue for the period, so they would focus on what the customer's money would actually be doing for that cause. High production quality would be key because, as I discovered through the social media audit, the target audience really enjoys multimedia like videos and pictures. And then I would have a consistent schedule as well for posting here because the YouTube channel doesn't have the most consistent schedule. So the channels I would add for this idea are Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, and I would remove Twitter. The reason I'm going to remove Twitter with this big idea is because the follower count at this point just isn't high enough to have a real impact. Adding Facebook would just essentially be to drive people to the Instagram page. The purpose of the Instagram page would be to post promotional videos for the products and for the series that would be released on YouTube. And finally, YouTube would be where the series would get posted. And the idea behind this would be that the high follower count on Instagram would drive customers to the YouTube page and hopefully grow the YouTube page almost as high as the Instagram page. The YouTube page has about 55,000 subscribers, while the Instagram page has over 200,000 followers. So a social media content calendar. Here I have Instagram posting daily, varying from user photos to keep it personal with the people who are visiting the site, promotions of products, promos for the series, so 1-minute promo videos that kind of give hints and clips of what will happen in the series videos. This would be posted every day at 7 p.m. YouTube, I have them posting 3 times a week, 1 product video, 1 fishing tip video, and then finally on Saturdays at 8 a.m. a series video would be released for the Big Idea Help With Us promotion. Facebook, again, daily posts, articles, links to their YouTube channel, articles and blogs, link to the YouTube channel as the series video is released, another article, and then more links to the series, and then an article about the series. So some metrics just to measure for achieving the business objectives: increasing reach, increasing brand awareness, more customer interaction, and big idea awareness. For YouTube, it's going to be mostly subscribers and comments. Interaction is going to be the only one that the KPI is going to be comments for. Instagram is going to be followers, except for the customer action, we want comments. Facebook's going to be more likes for the page, and then comments for interaction. And then for the big idea awareness on Facebook, we'd be looking for shares. So the budget plan, the main thing to take away from the budget plan is, since this big idea, the help with this idea, is so video intensive, you'll see that the budget for content creation is going to be way higher than all the other kind of metrics here that are measured. The video, as I said earlier, has to be really high production quality because a lot of the competitors, the big competitors such as Cabela's, have really high production quality in their videos. So just a conclusion, Orvis is already a strong brand, and they have a strong presence on social media, and they're already doing great things for the environment. But I think taking that to another level, releasing series every month where they are taking a product, donating money from that product, and then putting it back out there in a series to show the customer what they're actually doing, is going to generate a lot of buzz for the company. It's going to generate new customers, and it's going to keep old customers coming back. And finally, growing their social media is going to be a given from this project because it's going to show more people the core values of the company. And that's it.